Hello, my name is Marcello with 3S Shooting Sports Software. Today I would like to show you how to download and install Shoot Pro. First things first, sign in to the website. Once you're signed in, go to Downloads. Once you're on the Downloads page, click on View My Downloads. Next, click on Shoot Pro Installer. Once the download is complete, click on the executable file. Windows Defender will pop up. Click on More Info, then select Run Anyway. Next, Windows will ask you if you are ready to make this change. Select Yes. Once the installer opens, read through the Terms of Service. Once you have read the Terms of Service, click I accept the agreement. Then select Next. Next, you're going to choose whether you are installing this on a client or a server. In my case, I'm installing it on a server. Click Next. Click Next, click Next, and then finally click Install. Shoot Pro will now begin installing on your computer. This may take several minutes to complete. You may see several black windows. Allow them to finish. Once the black windows are gone, select No, I will restart my computer later, and then select Finish. Now open Shoot Pro. The first time that you start Shoot Pro after rebooting your computer, you will always see this message. Just ignore it and click OK. Now Windows Defender Firewall will ask you if you want to allow this application to run on network types. Select both public and private, then select Allow Access. Next, you're going to see a message that says that the computer is not authorized. Click OK, then select Yes. Now, click on the computer name and find one of the servers. Click and replace the server text with the computer name that you are currently installing Shoot Pro on. Then select the green check mark. Finally, click Close. You will see a range check error. You can simply ignore it. Next, reopen 3S. Here, it will ask you for a license key. Enter in your license key and click Activate. Now that you've activated 3S, you will see the main screen. You have successfully configured and installed Shoot Pro as a server or standalone computer.
If you have any questions, feel free to email us at support@shootingsportsoftware.com or call us at 1-801-396-7800. If you like that video, hit the thumbs up button. If you'd like to see when we post new content, hit the subscribe button. And if you'd like to receive notifications on when we post new videos, hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.